How to fix if you can't hear Android calls. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you're not able to hear anything during calls on your Android phone, before assuming it's broken, let's go through some quick fixes that usually solves this in minutes. So let's get started. So you can start by making up a call. Open up the call application and you can start up a call, and you can press the volume up button usually during the call and make sure the volume is high. Sometimes the media volume is loud, but the call volume is low. You can check it out. Also look out for silent or do not disturb mode. So you can access the quick settings panel and go ahead and check out if there is the silent mode or the do not disturb mode option is not turned on. If on, you can turn it off or disable it. Also, you can check out the Bluetooth option here and turn it off temporarily. Your phone might be connected to earbuds or a speaker. Another step we can follow up is restart a phone, hold the power button for that and look out for the restart option and tap on it. That should also fix the temporary glitches. Also, another thing that we can do is we can update our software. So go to settings for that. And once we go to settings, we can look out for the option called software update and tap on it. And go ahead and install the latest update available for our device. And if nothing else works, you can do a hardware check, which is the last step, or visit a service center. And that should probably work out for you. But usually these are probably some of the solutions you can follow up. So give this video a like and subscribe for more.